Check in. Hello and welcome to VeriPic Training. This video will provide you with an overview of the check-in process. Booked or checked out evidence needs to be checked in to keep track of the item's location and maintain chain of custody. You may have a combined book and check-in process. If this is the case, when you book an item, the item is automatically checked in. To check a booked or checked out item, use the scanner or manually search for the item. If you're using a scanner, scan the check-in barcode command. The Scan an Item dialog box will open. Then scan the item barcode. Now just go through the wizard to check in the evidence. Before I go over the check-in wizard, let me cover getting to check in if you do not have a check-in barcode command to scan. If that is the case, just scan the item barcode you want to check in. The Item Details window will open. In this window, you can see all the item details for this evidence. If you edit any information, click Save. If you didn't edit any information, click Cancel. The check-in screen in the main window will show the item list that displays the item barcode you scanned, along with any other evidence that is part of the same case number. If you do not have an item barcode to scan, don't worry. Refer to the search training video to learn how to quickly find your item using the searching option in Barcode. Highlight the item or items you want to check in and click Process Item. The Check-in Items window will appear. The list of items you selected to be checked in will display here. All the items will be checked in. If the reason text box is enabled or required, type in a reason for checking in the item in the reason field. If the item that is highlighted in the item descriptions has sub-items, check the Include All Sub-items if you want to check in those sub-items. The sub-items will be listed in the description text field. If you do not want to check in the sub-items, uncheck this checkbox. Click Next. Use the scanner to select a shelf by scanning the appropriate location barcode, or set the location by clicking Select Shelf. Select a store's location from the drop-down list. Then, under Select a Shelf, click the correct barcode. Once the correct barcode is highlighted, click OK. Once the location details are verified, click Next. The Assign Custodian Set Alerts window will open. If enabled or required, use the drop-down to assign a custodian. To the right of the drop-down is a text box. If you type the custodian's badge number here, that officer's username will automatically be set into the drop-down list for you. The Authorized By and Release To fields are available during disposal. If enabled or required, click Set Alert if you need to set an alert. Select the Reminder flag type from the drop-down. The reminder and alert date will automatically set for you. The reminder date will show below. To change the date, click on the calendar and set a customized date if needed. Check Do Not Set Reminder flag if you do not want a reminder flag. Leave this unchecked if it is a required field. Click OK. If you are required or allowed to use a signature, click Use Signature. Use the signature pad to sign your name. You will see the signature in the signature field. Click Save to save the signature. If you want to preview the signature, click View Signature. When you are done, click Finish. A list of the items you just checked in will appear in the Check-in main window. You can see in the status column that these items are checked in. If you need to print barcode labels or receipts for the checked-in items, just select the item from the list and click the appropriate button. Thanks for watching this training video. We invite you to take a look at other training videos available in the VeriPic Training series.